This is a rhetorical analysis of professionalism by Anna Scheller, Tori Girardi, and Morgan Shriver.
Hey, I'm Tori Girardi and I'm a first year interior design major.
Hi, I'm Morgan. I'm a first-year student in the 5-year Accelerated Health Science Bachelor's Biotechnology Master's program.
Hi, I'm Anna Scheller, and I'm a first year fashion design major.
We each discovered websites that are related to our future field. Mine is the American Society of Interior Design website. Morgan's is for Gene Tech, and Anna's is the Council of Fashion Designers in America.
In the cultivation of any sort of media, the creator uses a combination of 5 main modes of communication: linguistic, visual, oral, spatial, and gestural.
These modes come together to convey a deeper meaning of any text. The linguistic mode, for example, refers to the actual words on the page. This mode may work alongside the visual and spatial modes, which describe the things that we see on the page as well as their placement.
In addition, there are also the oral and gestural modes, which come into play during videos or presentations. They describe what we hear and the movements that occur, respectively.
The websites, being from the contrasting fields of interior design, health science, and fashion design, may easily be seen as unrelated.
Yet, they all share the common goal of capturing the attention of prospective members while using a combination of rhetorical strategies.
This is apparent through the varying stylization of the images, the meaning of the text, and the placements of each.
The American Society of Interior Designers is a company that helps people and spreads awareness about interior design. They collaborate with other people to promote how important interior design actually is. The association prepares the designers to thrive in a professional situation. They use knowledge and apply it to generate and collect ideas. They lead designers to interact with each other to bring light to topics that matter. Furthermore, they show how important people are in the design process and how it can reflect in human-centric design. This idea is represented in the American Society of Interior Designers website. As you can see, throughout this website, there are many things to grab your attention, like bright colors and photos. These can be categorized as a visual mode to help the viewer through the main points of the website. The photos shown represent professionalism since there are many people interacting with each other, showing the community expectations. Another rhetorical aspect of this website is the directory bar. This can be categorized as a linguistic mode. The words listed simplify the website and allow members to simply and efficiently make their way through the site. Lastly, this website really takes advantage of the space. The homepage contains a lot of graphics to entertain the viewer's eye. As you go through the website, there is more written information. The page contains a lot of information in regards to events to attend, career paths/options, and resources. All in all, the American Society of Interior Designers' mission is to support their designers. They thrive to show professionalism and spare awareness on how important the job is.
One of the up-and-coming companies in the field of biotechnology is Genentech, a daughter company of the major pharmaceutical corporation, the Roche Group. Genentech's website does a wonderful job of conveying their intentions and values while simultaneously targeting a number of different groups. The main focus of the site is the header, which immediately captivates the attention of the prospective patient. The heading of the website includes a digital, futuristic-looking depiction of what could be interpreted as human or bacterial cells. With a subtle navy blue background, the focus falls on the colorful cells and the bolded white text that states, "Personalized healthcare, profound advances in the fields of science, data, and technology could help us improve every aspect of patient care." The design of the cells in the image translates that the company itself is ahead of the game in regards to current scientific practices. The text of the header directly states the purpose of the website, to strive towards the future of science. It also attempts to directly connect to the patient, talking about the specific impact that futuring research will have on their livelihoods. Here, the combination of the visual, spatial, and linguistic modes truly impacts the comprehension of the future patient. As we scroll down the page, we notice a wide variety of articles that are available to read. Each title has its own image behind it, some in the same futuristic style as the header's image. The continuity and theme was likely another conscious rhetorical choice made by the web designers. By including photos, the reader gets a reinforced idea of what each article will cover, making sure each person ends up in the right place, regardless of their personal identity. When these articles are clicked on, the site transforms into a page on the specific topic, with a similar format as the homepage. The site then provides a number of more specific articles, so it is quite easy for any sort of viewer to find their intended information. The website mainly relies on the linguistic and visual modes, although the spatial mode is apparent through the arrangement of the text and the photos on the main page. The website targets a wide range of people, with tabs labeled for scientists, for patients, for medical professionals, for media, and for good. Mainly, it seems to be aimed towards patients and prospective researchers, but it is not inaccessible to others. Overall, Genentech does an excellent job of connecting with their audience, no matter who the audience is, through their use of rhetoric.
The CFDA, which stands for the Council of Fashion Designers in America, is heavily advertised in the fashion design community. It consists of over 1,000 designers. When you go onto the website, the first thing that you see and the first rhetorical aspect is a slideshow of 3 pictures. The first one is of a model at the latest Carolina Herrera show. The next slide is of a location in New York during Fashion Week, showing what you can do while at New York Fashion Week. And the last one is of fashion designer Aurora James. All of the pictures are somewhat cohesive and all tie in the same colors. The fact that they chose to do this makes the website look more professional. In the fashion industry, one of the main aspects of being professional is being well put together and sophisticated. At first glance, this website obviously contains those qualities. When you scroll down further, you're able to see all of the fashion events happening right now. New York Fashion Week is actually happening right now, so that's the main focus. Every week, they also show featured members of the council. As I said before, there are over 1,000 designers that are a part of it. Another rhetorical decision that they made was to have a calendar. It shows important dates for different fashion weeks right now. At the very end of the website, they promote their Instagram and it shows their most recent posts. This website is accessible to anyone, however, most of the people that go on it are fashion designers, aspiring designers, and people who have a love for fashion and want to stay in the loop.
Even though we all come from different backgrounds and each plan on pursuing very different careers, we can see common trends within the websites of each field.
The websites contain similar information while still being specific to their determined field, as well as their intended audience.
We all view professionalism through a different lens, but in the end, all fields share a goal: to intrigue more people to join.